Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes. Because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you grow on Instagram.
Imagine creating viral Instagram content without writing captions, editing videos, or even thinking about ideas. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what instaAI Studio claims to do. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a full honest review of instaAI Studio, and I will show you everything: features, pros, cons, and whether it is worth your money. instaAI Studio is an AI powered tool that helps you create Instagram content automatically. It can generate reels, captions, hashtags, and even trending ideas, all from one dashboard. Here is how it works in simple steps. Choose your niche. Let the AI generate content, post it on Instagram, repeat the scale. Basically, it removes the need for manual content creation. So we can see the key features. Let's quickly go through the main features. AI Reels Creator, Caption Generator, Hashtag Generator, Viral Trend Finder, Thumbnail Designer. Everything is inside one platform. You can see the pros also. Very beginner friendly, saves a lot of time, all in one tool, affordable, one time price, great for scaling content. So there are some cons also, so we can see the cons. The marketing is a bit overhyped, no guaranteed results, AI content can feel generic, automation always has risks, so don't expect magic results overnight. We can see the pricing also. It is currently available for a low one-time price, which makes it attractive, but honestly that also raises questions about long-term value. So is instaAI Studio worth it? The answer is yes, if you are a beginner and want quick content creation, and it is no if you expect automatic income or followers. It's a tool, not a shortcut to success. If you want to check it out, I have added the link in the description, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest AI tool reviews. Want to automate your Instagram content with AI? Try instaAI Studio. This is perfect for beginners, marketers, and creators who want to save time and grow faster. So limited time pricing may increase anytime. If you want to check it out, get it through my affiliate link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest AI tool reviews.
And how you create content and how you make serious money starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could run an entire Instagram account without editing reels, without editing captions, without searching for hashtags, without even knowing what to post? Sounds crazy, right? Let me ask you something. Be honest. Why are you still doing Instagram the hard way? Every time you create a reel, every time you write a caption, every time you search for hashtags, how much time are you wasting? Hours editing, hours thinking, hours guessing. And what do you get? Low reach, low engagement, slow growth, and here's the frustrating part. Instagram rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. But consistency is hard when everything is manual. So tell me, why are you trying to grow a 2026 Instagram account with outdated manual methods? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something faster, something automated, something built for growth. Introducing instaAI Studio, the world's all-in-one AI Instagram growth machine powered by Manus AI Agent, a system that creates, optimizes, and scales your entire Instagram content automatically. With instaAI Studio, you can now create viral reels with auto captions, generate posts, hooks, and captions instantly, discover trending content before it blows up, build high-performing hashtags automatically, design thumbnails and creatives easily, Scale multiple Instagram accounts, all from one dashboard, no skills, no editing, no guesswork. Which means no more wasting hours creating content, no more struggling for ideas, no more using multiple tools, no more inconsistent posting, no more slow growth. Everything runs in one place. And here's where it gets insane. With instaAI Studio, you can now grow niche Instagram pages fast, build massive follower bases, drive traffic to offers, sell products or services, or even manage accounts for clients. But wait, here's the real opportunity. Once you have this system, you can start your own Instagram agency, offer content creation and growth services to businesses, restaurants, local brands, influencers, coaches, e-commerce stores, and charge $500, $800, even $1,000 per month per client. And the best part, you don't do the work. The AI does everything for you. Now, here's the kicker. Instead of paying for multiple editing tools, captioning tools, hashtag tools, design apps, you get everything in one platform. For a one-time investment, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, no complicated setup. And you're fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't love it? Not satisfied? Change your mind? You get every penny back. No risk. But here's the truth. Most people will keep struggling, keep wasting time, keep posting inconsistent content, while a small group of smart creators automate everything, grow faster, and dominate Instagram. So the real question, do you keep doing everything manually, or do you let AI create, grow, and scale your Instagram for you? If you're ready to grow followers faster, create content effortlessly, save hours every day, start your own Instagram agency, turn attention into income, then click below. Get instaAI Studio. Turn on your AI Instagram engine and start growing on autopilot. No skills, no stress, no limits, just results. This is your move. Don't miss it.